Hello everybody. We got a box yesterday in the mail. It was to my son. But he signed up for a free sample. It's a pretty big sample.
It's a week's worth of meals.
A week's worth of meals. From, what is it called?
HelloFresh.
HelloFresh. He had a promo code to get the meals. And these are the recipe cards. How you prep every one of them.
You turn them over.
That's the nutritional info. So there's pineapple poblano beef tacos. Get these apart. Banh mi burgers. Winter chicken orzo dinner, which is what we're going to prepare today. It's our first time trying this. Got exclusive offers and other literature to read. Spring Cleaning 101.
It's the newsletter that comes with it.
Okay. And they're packed with a frozen gel pack in the bottom of the box. Plus this is insulated. So they come in 3 bags and they've got everything, pretty much everything you need in them. Like this is a pineapple poblano beef tacos. This is the banh mi burgers. It even has ground pork in it. This is the winter chicken orzo dinner that we're going to be doing today.
Just a separator.
The separator and then the gel packs.
And then the meat.
The meat is down in the bottom. Ground pork and ground beef and then the chicken. All fresh, not frozen. So that's what we're getting out now. I'm going to open the bag and see what all's in here. Let's see. Panko breadcrumbs. Orzo. Mozzarella cheese.
Fresh mozzarella.
Fresh mozzarella. Parsley. Fresh parsley. Zucchini. A couple of Roma tomatoes. Lemon. Nice shredded Parmesan. And Italian seasoning. So we're going to find out what all kind of equipment we need to put it all together, and we're going to start. Got the oven preheating to 425, and the vegetables have been washed. I'm going to prep them according to the directions. And it says to slice the zucchini into 1/4 inch thick rounds. Alright, and it says to cut the tomato into 1/2 inch thick wedges. Each of these meals that we got are meant for 2 people.
Because there's 2 of us.
Because there's 2 of us. The next step is to drizzle a tablespoon of olive oil and 1/2 of the Italian seasoning on there, on the vegetables, and then toss them together. Okay, now I'm going to put them in, this is a broiler pan, but I'm going to put them in the oven. Let them roast for about 10 minutes till they're just almost tender. Okay, while the vegetables are roasting, put the pasta in the boiling salted water. Give it a little stir. Bring it back to a boil and cook the pasta. Okay, I'm going to open the chicken. Got a new clean cutting board here. Get it out on the cutting board, and then I'm going to butterfly it.
Or is it already butterflied?
No.
Okay.
It says to butterfly.
Alright.
Okay, now I'm just going to season this chicken all over with salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning.
They were already really thin.
Yeah. Okay, I've drizzled some olive oil in a skillet. I've got it heated up to medium high. And put the chicken in there, opened up. And cook it in the skillet. While cooking, just to chop the mozzarella into roughly half-inch cubes. This looks so good. Okay, now I'm rough chopping the parsley. Nice flat Italian parsley. And now just half the lemon, because that's going to be a dressing that goes on after things are cooked. Okay, now I'm going to sprinkle the veggies with the panko breadcrumbs. Mozzarella. Sorry. And the Parmesan. Whoa, came out real good that time. And this will go in the broiler. We've already got it turned up to where the broiler will be working. There. Alright, now you add juice from half of the lemon.
Let me squeeze it.
Need a little reamer. Seeds.
Supposed to run it through your hand.
Yeah, I know, but I didn't. And half of the parsley. Okay. Now, that's fixed up. Okay, as you can see, everything is nicely browned. Nice little crust on it. The chicken is almost done. Nicely browned. And we're about to eat. Okay, we're going to plate some of this. There's the orzo that's seasoned with parsley and lemon juice. some of the vegetables, which look really, really good. Over the top, look at that cheese. Yum. Okay. Then the chicken. And we deglazed the pan a little bit because it said to use the chicken juices, but there weren't very many, so we deglazed it so we can pour that over the top. And a squeeze of some lemon. There you go. Now I need a fork. Take it. Vegetables are tender crisp. That tastes good. You want to make sure your chicken is done out of the skillet because it does not get a second chance to cook.